are gathered here to honor His Excellency Mr. Chandrika Prasad Santokhi, President of the Republic of Suriname, and rose to win the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award in Public Service for 2021.
President Chandrika Prasad Santokhi, Ambassador of India, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, namaskar. On behalf of President of India, Prime Minister of India, and on my own behalf, I congratulate President Santokhi for being conferred Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award for the year 2021. President Santokhi joined us virtually on 9th of January 2021.
We all look forward to hear from the friends of His Excellency the President how they feel today about their friend winning this award from the land of his ancestors.
With the boots on the ground, day and day during years-long campaign, walking all over the country with the Meet the People, the door-to-door campaign, not avoiding any conversation, visit or discussion, and keep conveying the message of hope and trust, having an eye and ear for the needs and problems of the people, and thereby showing its social engagement and commitment. This is Mr. Santokhi, pure son, showing his leadership in all his modesty. On behalf of the board and members of the party, may I congratulate you on this award. Congratulations.
There has never been any other minister of Justice and Police who has been able to put down the results that he has put down. I can truly testify that Chan Santokhi, our president or current president, is worthy of receiving this award, and I congratulate him very much with receiving the award, and I wish him all the best and success in his endeavors as President of the Republic of Suriname. I have no doubt that under his leadership we will succeed and we will prosper.
The Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award is the highest honor conferred on overseas Indians and being given since 2003. It wasn't until 2021 that Suriname received this honor for the first time and was bestowed on no one other than my father. And not only me as daughter, but the whole family can be prouder. We have a big family as my barima, my aji, had 9 children. Each and every one of this big family supports him in their own unique way. And like me, the family also faces the consequence of being related to him. Some more than others, but united we are strong. And we will keep on supporting him because we know what he is committed to, for whom he is doing this, and why he is working day and night.
We appreciate very much the collaboration, the financial contribution, or certainly on this occasion, the symbolic gesture of making known to the world that there is a strong bond between India and Suriname in the person of President Santokhi and the award which has been granted. I remember vividly, because it was just recent, the meeting between President Santokhi and Prime Minister Modi in the plenary room of the COP26. And I believe that in all the areas of cooperation, with the upcoming visit of President Santokhi to India, this relationship, this cooperation, this strong bond will be taken to a next level.
As conveyed by our Honorable Minister, I too, on behalf of the President of India, the Prime Minister, and the Indian mission in Paramaribo, extend a warm welcome to everyone to this ceremony, marking the handing over of the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award 2021 in public service conferred on His Excellency Mr. Chandrika Prasad Santokhi, President of the Republic of Suriname. At the outset, let me congratulate His Excellency the President on being conferred the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award, the highest honor conferred on persons of Indian origin.
Now, can we have a glimpse of the Pravasi Bharatiya Sammelan Award, please?
Today, we are particularly honored that His Excellency President Santokhi of Suriname would address the convention as chief guest. He is indeed a shining example of the heights to which persons of Indian origin have reached abroad.
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री जी माननीय महामहिम श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे भारतीय प्रवासी, का हाल बा? हमारे देश सूरीनाम के ओर से आप सब लोगों को इस 16वां प्रवासी दिवस पर हृदय से अभिनंदन प्रस्तुत करीला।
मैं फिर एक बार सूरीनाम के राष्ट्रपति जी का हृदयपूर्वक आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। उन्होंने जो हम सबको प्रेरणा दी है, हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, वे सचमुच में भारत का गौरव बढ़ाने वाले उन महापुरुषों में से एक हैं। मैं उनका भी विशेष धन्यवाद करता हूं।
His Excellency Mr. Chandrika Prasad Santokhi is awarded the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award in the field of public service.
I'm sincerely grateful for this recognition, for this prestigious award bestowed upon me, as the Indian diaspora constitutes an important and unique force in world culture and the culture of Suriname. Let me share some thoughts on the engagement with the land of our ancestors. As President of the Republic of Suriname, that has a major segment of people of Indian origin within its population, and being from Indian origin myself, I feel a deep bond between our two nations. This historic link with India and the inspiration gained from the great Mahatma Gandhi's non-violence philosophy have resulted in the formulation of a political philosophy in Suriname. India is now one of the leading nations in the world, a credible global actor in various international structures in which the whole world has a stake. I take this opportunity to pay tribute to our ancestors and all the founding fathers of Indian settlements in the diaspora. Once again, my heartfelt thanks to you and your nation for this prestigious Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award. I will cherish it dearly.
At the outset, I would like to express gratitude on behalf of the ambassador, the embassy, and my own behalf to the Honorable President for graciously sparing time to be with us here today, for accepting the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award.